a 2024 Toyota Yaris hybrid. This is Starline M66 V2. So as you can currently see, the vehicle is off. Keys are here in my hand. If I go to start the vehicle, it will not start. It won't show me the ready sign. The vehicle is locked itself. On the app, you'll see it will change. It will start giving me a phone call. If I answer the phone call,
alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on. The car's condition.
there we go. So it's telling us ignition's on. When the bubble is red, it will show you indicate that the alarm is triggered. Once we switch the vehicle off, the bubble will then go back to a white bubble to show you the vehicle is armed still. So now with the tag, on the tag, I can simply just have the tag, and what I'll do is, if I now have the tag present to the vehicle, I can put my foot on the brake, start the car, and there we go. We get the ready sign. Steering wheel is nice and light, ready to drive. The bubble will be disarmed from the system, and it gives us a status where the car ignition is on, off, battery voltage, so on and so forth, and the tracking through the app as well. You have anti-hijack and service available at a push of a button. There you go. If you'd like an M66 on your car, just give us a call, 0208 554 554.